Hey guys, I'm gonna do Celine Dion's Call the Man. Hope you enjoy. Close the door, shut the words away. All the fights going on this wounded heart. Walls apart, screams and shadows play. Like when you're refugees. Call the man who deals every young repair. He can heal the world. Our hearts in need of care. Shine a light ahead when the next step isn't clear. Call the man, he's needed here. Close your eyes, I remember when you said there is empty room. As I cry, won't bring it back to them. Unless the lonely stars should fall. Call the man who deals in every young repair. He can heal the world of hearts in need of care. Shine a light ahead when the next step isn't clear. Call the man, he's here. Needed in the chaos and confusion, on a place to city hall. Even with a cop who wants the wire set to fall. Oh, call the man who did it was a wrong time. Let it heal ahead. This broken heart of mine. Shine a light ahead. Now the future isn't clear. So clear. Call the man, he's in here.